Hi there, YouTube family. Today, we're going to be diving into the world of Jira OAuth as we walk you through generating an authentication key for a Jira API token. Once we're done here, you're going to be comfortably generating these API tokens like second nature, giving you much more accessibility and control over your Jira platform, so let's get started. Step 1. Start by locating your profile icon over on the top right corner of your screen. This is where you can access all your personal account settings, including the security settings, which is what we need to get our hands on for today's tutorial. So just hit that icon and then select Account Settings. Remember, security is the key when dealing with any online platform, and it is through these settings we can ensure that. Once you are in the account settings, it's time to navigate over to the security options. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to safeguarding your account. In the security section, you will find a feature called API tokens. We'll need to hop in there next. Now, this is where things start to get specific. API tokens are like keys. They let integration tools access the Jira platform on your behalf. Once you're in the API tokens section, you should see an option for Create and Manage API tokens. By clicking on that, we'll be one step closer to generating our key. In the Create and Manage API tokens area, you'll see the option to create API token. That's our gold star. Let's click on that. When you do, you'll be asked to set a name for your token. Let's just pause for a second here. The name could be anything that makes it memorable and identifiable for you. It's like giving your key a nickname. Once you have chosen a name, type it into the box. After naming your token, you're required to provide an expiry date for it. See, nothing lasts forever, not even these keys. This is a safety measure. It ensures no token is left active indefinitely, posing a potential risk. So choose a suitable expiry date, keeping in mind your specific needs and preference for security. The next step is the easiest one. You'll just need to click Create to generate your token. And voila, give that page a second to load, and you'll have a shiny new API token ready to go. Even the best of us can be forgetful, so remember to copy the token right after creating it. This is your key, so keep it safe and secure. And well, that's really all there is to it. And there you have it, folks. Generating your Jira API token is really just that simple. Now remember, it's all about taking charge of your online platform and ensuring security at all times. Thank you so much for joining us today. Should you have any doubts, queries, or you want to share your experiences, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. And folks, if you found this tutorial helpful, do give this video a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Until next time, happy learning and stay safe.